Today, let's work on one of the best scalping strategies that you can ever find in my teachings, the momentum scalping strategy. We will do a top-down analysis again, starting from 1 week up until 1 minute. A crazy recap video. If you're ready, let's start. XAI was one of the best setups that we ever had today. It was like a textbook masterclass trade. I hope that many of you got this trade. If you're ready, let's start our top-down analysis on this coin. As usual, we start our charts to look for daily or weekly bias. What I saw here was the price was trying to fill this weekly imbalance here. And there was an even higher possibility to tap the imbalance above. It was so obvious that this coin was trying to balance its price by rebalancing its imbalances. In the daily time frame, you can easily see this imbalance fails and tiny momentum imbalances. The gigantic price switch thanks to Donald Trump. Now, all of us know now crypto world is rallying. All we need to do is ask ourselves how to join these rallies. Let's take a look at the momentum layout. This time we did not have multi-level imbalance taps as we used to have recently. Instead, price only tapped the hourly imbalance here. However, seeing this 2 and 4 hour momentum imbalances already gives me an idea that buyers are very powerful with this coin. They want to push it higher and higher. In the 30 minutes, you can notice how the price started to hang, which started with the little green rejection hammer candlestick. This indicates to me that buyers are fighting here, sellers are struggling. The falling knife stopped for now, but none of this enough for me. Let's check the lower time frames. Now dropping to the 15-minute time frame. Looking for entries, let's take a look at what we have here. After a very strong falling knife, buyers started to gain power now. This first failed imbalance indicates to me that sellers are in serious trouble here. And this tiny momentum imbalance giving me the idea that buyers are in the game. This is the point of the rally strategy. This was a great 5% move to catch. With 20x leverage, it means that 100% profit. Now, I want to go down to the 1 minute and discuss things even further. In the 1 minute chart, can you tell me what is happening? Please pause the video. Yes, right here the structure shift happens with a structure box. And this imbalance gave us a very precise entry to achieve. And the structure is now under the full control of the buyers. They keep pushing the price higher by protecting the lows. You see structure box strategy or rally strategy. Whichever you use, market always give us chances of entries. As usual, let's recap so you can understand what happened here. In the weekly chart, we have noticed that price was heading towards the fill this weekly imbalance. In the daily chart, thanks to Donald Trump, the whole crypto world changed. The price switch happened. Now we are in the daily rally. Within our momentum time frames, we have noticed price tapped the 1 hour imbalance to fill up. But we also saw the 2 and 4 hour momentum imbalances, which convinced us of the power of the buyers. Finally, we noticed the price switch within the 15-minute time frame. So, as our tree layout system suggests, we had our bias, we had our momentum and power, we had our low time frame price switch, all combined for the perfect trade. I hope that you enjoyed this recap. See you in the next videos. Take care and have fun. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you improved your trading skills, but you need more, an extra, a boost, and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You'll learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. And we will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. Finally, you'll discover a strategy called YOYO strategy, which will open new doors for you about taking and managing trades. If you are interested, you can find links on my website on the description. Take care, friends, manage your risks, and stay safe.